नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम क़ुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाहुस समद लम यलिद व लम यूलद व लम यकुल लहू कुफुवन अहद. Translation: Qul huwallahu ahad. Say Allah is one. Allahus samad. Allah is self-sufficient. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He begets not, nor was he begotten. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. And none is comparable to him. So this is the Surah Al-Ikhlas. About the virtues of the Surah Al-Ikhlas, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Man qara Qul huwallahu ahad hatta yakhtimaha 10 marrat banallahu lahu qasran fil jannah. He who recites the Surah Al-Ikhlas 10 times completely, Allah will build a palace in a paradise for him. After listening this, Hazrat Umar Farooq Radhiyallahu anhu said that we will increase the number of palaces in the paradise by reciting Surah Al-Ikhlas more and more, 10 times, 20 times or 30 times or more than this. And Allah's Messenger ﷺ replied, Allah has the most and the best reward. Is narrated in the Musnad Ahmad, hadith number 15059. So from this hadith, we come to know about the virtues of the Surah Al-Ikhlas, that building a palace is a difficult task, but it becomes easy by reciting the Surah Al-Ikhlas 10 times. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you can build your palace in the paradise. And about the virtue of the Surah Al-Ikhlas, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Surah Al-Ikhlas is the 1/3 of the Quran. It's narrated in the Jami' al-Tirmidhi hadith number 2900. It means that by reciting the Surah Al-Ikhlas 3 times is equivalent to the reading of full Quran. In another hadith, it is said that a man came to the Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and he said, I love this surah, Surah Al-Ikhlas, immensely. Then Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that Allah will cause you to enter in the paradise because of the love of this surah. And in another hadith, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that recite the Surah Al-Ikhlas and Surah Al-Falaq, Surah Al-Nas 3 times after every prescribed prayer. And in another hadith it is said, he recites the Surah Al-Ikhlas and Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas is sufficient for him against every affliction. So may Allah help us to recite this surah, to build a palace in the paradise. May Allah help us to follow the sunnah. May Allah help us to pray 5 times a day. May Allah help us to follow or to obey Allah and His Messenger. After viewing this video, share it so it would become sadqa jariyah for you. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينَ.